Imagine an unforeseen event and suddenly your day-to-day operations come to a halt. You need to recover as fast as possible for business continuity, as the risk of high financial costs, loss of reputation and worse, loss of customer trust can be catastrophic. What should one do? From data security breaches to natural disasters, enterprises should have a plan in place for disaster recovery. However, managing hosting, replication of virtual and physical services 24/7 is challenging and requires a huge capital and operational commitment. BSNL NxtGen, a leading data center and cloud service provider, offers disaster recovery as a service for IT continuity and resilience. BSNL NxtGen ensures that data is replicated, recovered, and restored as per the recovery time objectives set by your organization. It ensures that critical data and configurations are protected and are available in a short time in case of disaster at the primary site. BSNL NxtGen provides its customers with a dashboard view to demonstrate the DR readiness in near real time. This empowers customers to view, control, and monitor and be confident of recovering back mission-critical IT infrastructure in case of a disaster. BSNL NxtGen's disaster recovery as a service ensures readiness, rapidity, and recovery for future-ready organizations. To learn more about disaster recovery as a service, please visit bsnlcloud.com.